Want to know how to create a text-based adventure game in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, the program starts with the story setup. You wake up in the dark forest, then it asks you to choose a direction, left or right. Depending on your choice, the story branches into two paths. On the left path, you reach a river and choose whether to swim or walk. And on the right path, you encounter a wolf and decide to fight or run. Each choice just simply leads to either a win or a game. It's a super basic branching logic, but it teaches you a lot about user input, string comparison, and decision making with if-else statements. So mostly we have simply used if-else statements, as you can see right here. So you can just simply copy up this code, and I'm just going to show you by simply running this code right here on how it works. So right here, we can just simply type in left or right. So if we type in left, we go here, we either swim. So if we swim, we just swim across swiftly and we won. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and continue with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.